What is 0.1% as a fraction in simplest form? Look, so we need to convert this percentage to fraction. Just rewrite it. Percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply. Look, 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. So 10, 100, these are called power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal number of zeros. A number of zeros 2, so decimal point will move 2 places. 1 place, placeholder 0, 2 place. Okay, so we are getting decimal 001. You can add a 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. Now convert this decimal to fraction. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 0 for 10, 0 for 10, and 10 for 1. So this 30 don't have any value. The greatest common factor between this and this is 1. Also now multiply 1, 1, 1 means 1, add 0, 30. So the 1 has only one factor which is 1. So the common factor between this and this is 1. If you divide this 1 by 1, you will get 1. If you divide this 100 by 1, you will get this. So this is the simplest fraction.